Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Swapadamkam Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Uttarapadakam Sri Guru Vaishnavamsa Sri Guru Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Samaganam Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parjana Sahitam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Kanvitam Tam Sajivam Sahagana Lalatam Tam Visha Tanvitamstam हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन। So today's topic is make victory your second nature. First I will explain about the practical things, then slowly I'll walk into the spiritual stuff. So actually, to make victory, you need two things. I will directly come to the point. You need two things: direction and efforts. How to choose the direction? Any direction you can choose which can make you happy. But when you think that no, this is not the right direction, then you can change anytime. You can change your direction anytime. But remember one thing: there is pain in every direction. Now, my friend has chosen science. I chose commerce. Every people will think that he needs to go in the easy way like this. Why you didn't take science? Why you took commerce? Like this, so many people come and ask me. I explained to them also that commerce is also not that easy, Baba. It is also difficult. Same thing with the arts, okay? Then second thing is efforts. You should keep working hard. There is one quality. It is a little bad, but it is useful for getting victory. What is that? You should be stubborn. If you be stubborn, no, that this is only correct. But if you be stubborn with the right guidance, that is very nice. Even if any obstacles come, but still you be stubborn, it's a very good quality. Pure hard work necessary for victory. Now you might tell why we can't do smart work. Many people say you should do smart work like this. But there is one quote. You cannot do the smart work without knowing the hard work. And the best way to know something is to experience. I was recently reading the web. Again I'll repeat, see. You cannot do smart work without doing hard work. And the best way to know something is to experience. So that being said, let's go to the next thing. So there is one cycle. Hard work, result, motivation. If you do hard work, the result, two possibilities are there. Either you will get a very good result or bad result. And if good result is there, motivation will automatically come. Okay, I'm doing nicely. Let me continue this. But if bad results come, no, self-doubt will come. What am I doing? Am I on the right path? It is relatable, right? Many of the times this question comes. What am I even doing here? Now, this questions which is coming, no, this is actually a test which your Krishna gives, God gives. Okay. When this test comes, it requires patience. The medicine is patience. How much you can wait? You should wait. You should keep moving forward. Even if there is bad result, keep moving forward. Even if there is good result or bad result, the same pace you should go. If good result will come, so full, high, proud, like that, it should not become. If bad marks come, full depressed, no. Even if good result come, very little you should be happy. Bad result come, very little you should be sad. Not more than that. You go in the same plane. Then the best way to achieve victory is one more very good quality. That is discipline. But this discipline is very hard to achieve, because the same thing again and again and again we should keep doing it. I hate studying, but still I keep doing it. That will lead to good result. So when you build this discipline, then everything gets really easy, but it is really difficult to obtain. But one snake will come. Distractions. This distraction will keep poking the discipline. Goku Krishna Prabhu already made a video on distractions. That may be helpful for you. You should revise, right? So many of the people were saying social media addiction was there, like this. That releases full lot of dopamine. You have seen YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, right? So this short form content will reduce your attention span. If the attention span is reduced, your focus will be destroyed. What you can study now? You can't study. First you will be studying for more than 2 hours, 3 hours. After getting addicted, what you do? Not even half an hour you can sit properly. So you should get dopamine, but in a good things. It is because of you. It is because of you that your mind is getting instant dopamine. Stop giving your mind instant dopamine. stop this Instagram reels and YouTube shots. Because of you, your mind will get used to it. But instead, if you give mind slow dopamine. What is slow dopamine means? Working out, then reading any books. Just slowly it will give dopamine. And that is very good thing after studying, after working out. If you keep doing it, after some time, very nice you feel. Very nice. Many times I have seen that motivation videos, social medias. That 2 minutes video. He'll say some thoughts, some quotes he'll say. You'll get full motivated, full ready to work. After the video ends, motivation ends. No motivation. I heard this one more beautiful quote. Insanity is doing the same thing again and again, but expecting different results. I repeat it. Insanity is doing something every day, not again and again. I'll repeat it again. Insanity is doing the same thing every day, but expecting different results. So now comes the important part. More important part. Don't think that before whatever I said is not important. Okay. Now the price of success. The price of success is change. You should build changes within you. I know it will be a lot of pain. It will be a lot of struggle to build this change. But this pain is very beautiful. It will give you very great heights. But there is also some things that will affect. No. That will take away from you. Victory demands sacrifice, and you keep doing things day and night, the same thing, and you lose friends, you gain responsibility. Sometimes time will go like water, and there will be so much loneliness also. So these are the things.
We'll form a theory. We'll make a theory. Okay, this is this. So this is what the science is.
Hare Krishna, can you hear me? I will continue. So the sacrifices for victory. Then once you get used to it, you will get self-confidence. That next time I can do. Like that confidence will come. Now, With this being said, there are steps to victory also to be noted. So you can. I'll give 1 minute pause. Silently, go and read. Where, Prabhu, where is the screen sharing? I will not disturb here. You read 1 minute. Okay. Now I shall continue. I was seeing one 2 minutes video. In that, a small boy will just come to the stage and he will keep talking. That time between one auntie will come. She'll ask, what is the use of Bhagavad Gita? That time, this he answers no. He asks, when you go to any supermarket, you'll get one toy now. That toy, they'll give one manual how to use it. So this boy, what he says, that Bhagavad Gita is the life's manual, how to use the life properly. So what you read this success tips, no, that Duryodhana followed very nicely. But still Duryodhana lost. Why? Because there were already a few signs of success to the Pandavas side. Now, this signs of success, I will give pause for a minute. Afterwards, I'll continue. But this Arjuna, Krishna, they never wanted war. There's one popular pastime that many of you have heard it, but who don't know, I'll say off.
Hare Krishna.
Arjuna will.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes, Prabhu.
Hemaker and PPT is not there. Is there any technique issue? Rakesh?
Just a minute, we're working on it. 2 minutes.
You speak on the PPT. Okay.
Wait, I
because time is going. No, we have to finish the PPTs. You use PPT and talk. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu.
Speaker of the day. Yeah.
Shall I continue, Prabhu?
You can continue.
And then 1 second, sorry to interrupt. Which slide do you want me to present?
Uh, that no need. It's okay. Man. Now I am explaining. Krishna will be sleeping. Duryodhana.
Got it. Got it. Yeah.
So continuing this one, Arjuna will say to Duryodhana that 5 villages you give me for 5 Pandavas, we will adjust our life. No need war. But he wasn't ready to listen. He asked for war. He wanted war. So even Arjuna couldn't do anything. And after this, after some time, uh, before the war started, there will little agreement with Sri Krishna. That time, Arjuna entered to the Sri Krishna room and he sat near his feet. No. First, Duryodhana entered the room. He sat near his head. Afterwards, Arjuna came and sat near his feet. Then they were waiting, patiently waiting when Krishna will get up. After Krishna gets up, first he sees Arjuna and he asks, what happened, Arjuna? Why you came like this? That time Arjuna says that I need your help for the war, Kurukshetra war. But this Duryodhana will get offended. Why he is asking Arjuna first? I came first. He'll say that. Then Krishna will ask Duryodhana, what do you want? Either you can choose my Narayani army or you can choose me. Then that time Arjuna will be getting scared that what will happen if he choose Krishna. Then Duryodhana says that I don't need your army. I don't need you, I need your army, Narayani army. That time Arjuna got little peaceful. Then Arjuna chooses, okay, I need you only Krishna. Prabhu, is this past time correct only, Prabhu?
Go ahead, correct only. But
Okay.
make it short, brief. The
Yes.
content of the story, moral of the story.
So this moral of the story, what means? Arjuna was sitting in the foot of Krishna. So he gave first priority to Arjuna. So every time you also be near the foot of Krishna, he will also give you priority. Okay, continuing this thing. Before that, during wars, no, Pandavas and Kauravas, when they both attack, if Kauravas won't be having any sword or arrow, any weapon, that time they won't attack. The Pandavas won't attack. Vice versa. If anyone don't have any weapon, no, they'll not attack. One more thing is when after war, no, dinner all will sit for eating. They won't say like this fellow is enemy. Why I should eat with him? They won't see like that. At dinner time, even enemies will become friends. So now, bro, put to the signs of success, bro. uh, signs of victory of Pandavas. A holy environment. This is very important because when the environment is positive, no, you get very much strength. But when there is negative environment, strength will be there, but it doesn't have that much effect when there is a good environment. There is one experiment which one scientist conduct. That time, in one room, he keeps a bowl of rice with water, and in that room, all good things he makes to hear that rice. This is how beautiful your happy life, and very nice songs he'll make to hear. Then one more room, no, same bowl he'll keep, but this room he'll say all the negative things, all the bad words, and what you're doing, nothing, waste. I don't want to say bad words. Understand? After few days, no, he removes both of the bowls. What he observed is the rice, which is with positivity, filled with all this good environment. It became little more fat, and nicely healthy it is. But other side, when it negative things were there, full there is no change in the rice, and full black it became, full like rotten kind of thing. So this is a very important thing, holy environment. I don't want to explain this also. You all know Lord Krishna is the Supreme Personality of the Godhead. Wherever there is Krishna and Arjuna, there is victory. Now, one more sign is good fortune. This is the only thought. You can read this. So go back to the science, success science. Next, presence of great devotee Hanuman ji. How Hanuman ji is in Kurukshetra, you may be wondering. That flag is there, right? So on that flag, Hanuman is there. But why Hanuman is coming now? This is before past time was happened between Bhima and Hanuman. So those who don't know, I will say this is also very popular pastime. First, Draupadi will request, I want lotus flower, golden lotus or something. So Bhima will go to find that lotus. But in between, Hanuman, he'll put one Vesha and he'll come like an old monkey. So he'll sit off in between. The tail he will keep in between. So Bhima couldn't cross the tail. Because in Vedas it is mentioned you should not cross anyone's body. It is offense. He will ask politely only first. Please remove your tail. I should go. But Hanuman was not able to remove because he gave one bahana, the one reason that I am very old, I cannot lift. So you only lift my tail and keep side and go. This Bhima will get little angry. Then after he tries to lift the tail, right? With one hand he tries, he couldn't lift. With one more, both hands he tries, he couldn't lift. Then after all that happens, then the old man, he will reveal that he is Hanuman. After that, Bhima is very intelligent. At Treta Yuga only, he knew that this will happen. Kurukshetra war will happen. But he also knew that in Kali Yuga, that much time, Hanuman wouldn't be present. In Kali Yuga, that size of the living beings very much will degrade off. And coming years, age, if one fellow will live 20-30 years, no, that is great. Like that, they will say. And cow will become of goat. The size of the goat it will become. I should not distract to this Kali Yuga. So these are the signs of prey of Pandavas. Then one more major important point is good association. If you be with good, you will become good. If you be with bad, you will become bad. Association. తీసుకోవాలి. Why? Good company. If you always be with bad company, no, that time your mind will also automatically it will deviate to distract to that part only. How much ever good you may be, but still you will go towards the bad thing only. Avoid toxic people. They every time say bad things to you. They make you like treat you like slave like this. Don't be with them. You should associate with good people like Gopi Krishna Prabhu. Yes, no, Prabhu. Prabhu is saying yes. That being said, I'd like to end this session. I'd like to thank Gopi Krishna Prabhuji for giving me this opportunity. And if I did any mistakes, please forgive me, Prabhu. Thank you, Hare Krishna. Yes.
Yes, bro.